Haldar absconds. So Haldar went away. A lot of time passed, but he did not return. Lajwanti started getting worried. The sun was setting. It was dangerous for her to stay in the forest. So she went back to her father's house. Hemdeva was surprised to see his daughter standing all alone at his doorstep. He got worried and asked her, "Why are you all alone? Where is Haldar?" Lajwanti did not speak the truth. She said, "The robbers robbed us and forcibly took away Haldar with them." Hemdeva consoled his daughter. On the other hand, Haldar, with all the ornaments and money, went to a gambling house. There he lost all the money and ornaments. Now he had no money again. Haldar got frustrated and came back to his father-in-law's house, thinking of telling another false story. Lajwanti lies. But he was in for a surprise as Hemdeva welcomed him with open arms. Hemdeva said, "Thank God, you have come back safe and sound. Now everything will be alright. I will give you more money." Haldar took two and two together and realized that Lajwanti had not spoken the truth to her father. He was very happy. This gave him another opportunity to play a trick upon his father-in-law. So one day Haldar said to Hemdeva, "Father, as I have nothing to do here, let me go to my parental home. I will start a new business there. Lajwanti will also accompany me. She will help me set up my business." Hemdeva was happy to hear this. He thought it was good of Haldar to stand on his feet. He gave a bag of gold coins to Haldar. He also gave a new jewelry set to his daughter. Haldar kills Lajwanti. Soon both set out for their journey. Haldar kept the bag of gold coins with him. But shockingly, when they reached the forest, Haldar killed Lajwanti. Then he took all the ornaments and ran away. He never looked back. Betal, having finished the story, asked King Vikramaditya, "Who was accountable for Lajwanti's murder? If you do not answer me, I will split your head into pieces." King Vikramaditya replied, "Lajwanti herself was responsible for her death." "How?" asked Betal. King Vikramaditya replied, "Lajwanti hid the truth. If she had told her parents everything as to what had happened to her in the forest, they would have never let Haldar come into her life again. They would have never trusted him." Betal exclaimed, "You are right again. As I am pleased with you, I free you of all the conditions of keeping silent." King Vikramaditya did not say anything and kept walking towards his capital where the hermit was waiting for him. Madan and Ratan. King Vikramaditya was happy when Betal promised not to fly away anymore. As he walked silently, Betal said to him, "Vikram, we are near the hermit's place, but there is still time for you to listen to my story. It may be the last one." King Vikramaditya said, "So this will be your 25th story." Betal replied, "True, these 25 stories will be called Betal Pachisi." So Betal started telling his story. Once there were two men, Madan and Ratan, who lived on the island of Bali. They were very good friends. Once they went on a business trip together and made a lot of profit. While they were returning, they entered a forest. They decided to take rest. After taking rest, they decided to count their earnings. So putting all their money before them, they began to count it.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.